What is up, everyone? I am going to show you how to convert piano sheet music to guitar tabs and bass tabs. The first thing you're going to want to do is download MuseScore. It's all free. It's super easy. I'm pretty sure I don't even have an account. So from there, you will want to click New Score. It'll start on Choose Instrument. But what you are going to do is go to Create from Template, and we are choosing how our piano sounds. And we want our piano to sound like a guitar, so it's all in the same octave. So what you'll see here is treble clef, bass clef, grand staff. While you could just do treble clef, this is going to be so much easier. So click on solo, then guitar tablature, because this is going to automatically convert our piano sheet music to guitar tabs. And next, this is super important. You are going to want to click next, and this is where we could adjust our key signature. This is so important because if you don't do this, your notes will not be right. The rest really doesn't matter unless you are being serious about it or you have a whole song to do. But if you are just trying to transcribe a few tabs, then this is all you need to do. So it will start on guitar, but since we are using electric guitar, we're going to want to switch to electric guitar really quick. Or if you're doing bass, you would just switch to electric bass. So definitely click on the tablature version of each instrument. So from there, go to the top left, and this will allow us to manually put in each note. So instead of copying and pasting, if we would have just did the treble clef, this is all automatic. All the work is being done for us. I am putting in the exact guitar tabs for Another One Bites the Dust, and I really don't know how it sounds on guitar. So we will see at the end how this all turns out. Now that is amazing. So now let's go do it for bass. Oops, I hit 5-string bass. Oh well, it's fine. So you can see it transcribed it for the bass automatically, but all the notes are completely off. So what we're going to need to do is we will need to restart everything and put in the bass piano notes. Since the octaves are different, the notes will be different as well. But since I accidentally clicked a 5-string bass, all the notes are up one. Where the zeros are is the E string. The reason we click this template specifically is because it automatically transcribes all tabs. Everyone, thank you so much. I hope this made sense, and I really hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. I will be posting more videos in the future. Thank you so much. Have a great day.